Hi, this is a framed Biscayne plan at Courtland at Desert Oasis in Surprise. There's a porch. As we walk inside, there's a flex space or a den. We can put double doors here. This is the entrance to the garage. It's a two-car garage. Here are the stairs to the second floor. And here's the kitchen. There's a wide island in the middle. And here's the dining room. There's a big window. And here's the family room. We are walking towards the back. Here's where the sliding glass door goes. And here's the covered patio. This home has a master downstairs. So we are going towards the master. There's a half bath here. And here's the master. Here's the master bath. The vanity goes here. Here's the linen closet and the shower. There's a little window above the shower. Here's the master closet. Now we are walking back. We are going upstairs to the second floor. Here's the kitchen again. Here's the pantry. It's a walk-in pantry. And now we are walking upstairs. As we get upstairs, there's a huge game room. We can install up to 2 more bedrooms where this game room is. And here's one of the bedrooms upstairs. There are 3 bedrooms, all with walk-in closets. Here's a walk-in closet of the first bedroom. We are walking towards the laundry. So here's the laundry. It's a very large laundry upstairs. That's a closet upstairs. Then we are walking towards bedroom number 2, upstairs, also with the walk-in closet. We are walking outside towards bedroom number 3. And the walk-in closet. Now we are walking, this is bathroom number 2 upstairs. Again, the game room.